वास्कोच्या GCI क्लबान शुक्रारा आयोजित केल्ले रक्तदान शिबिरात एमपीटीक जोडून आशिल्ले CISF कर्मचारी वर्गान रक्तदान केले. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
And it is very important in our life because when you donate blood, we give new life to someone. Patients are always in need of blood, either emergency cases or plain cases, without which the operations cannot succeed. So in donating the blood, we check there are certain criteria. The hemoglobin we check which should be more than 12.5, weight we check which should be more than 45 kg, and a donor should be a fit donor without any kind of illnesses and shouldn't be on any kind of medicines. We take this blood from the donor, like 350 ml we take, and we separate into components such as packed cell, FFPs, cryoprecipitate and platelet concentrates. So with one donation, the donor can save 3 to 4 lives because there are 4 components we prepare and each component saves 4 different lives.
It's an organization, it's an NGO where we give actually trainings to the members as well as people, and but we organize actually a blood donation camp as well. But today we organized a blood donation camp along with the CISF, the Jawans of our nation. Actually, we need to learn a lot from them because instead of we giving blood to our Jawans, they are helping us. They have donated their blood in large numbers. So we all should be thankful to them because of them our society they will be helpful. And
Vasco has today started successfully completed a blood donation camp in association with Goa Medical College and the CISF Airport Division. We are thankful for CISF for having come and associated with us with Vasco JCI and helped us in conducting this program. The CISF is doing a wonderful job securing our airports and securing this nation. They have already sacrificed their blood and their life for the nation, and it is for us to reciprocate and give our blood for the soldiers and the martyrs and the people who are injured. Instead of that, today we see that the CISF have taken upon themselves the task of giving blood to us, to the civil society. They are more responsible than us, and I plead that others, the civil society, comes and donates blood more regularly and make sure that the hospitals are never in short supply of blood, so that our nation and our Jawans can be helped in case of there is any calamity or emergency. And we are because of the soldiers of the nation, and it is essential that we give to our nation whatever little bit we can.